Once upon a time, a small bird named Chirpy lived in a tree. Once upon a time, a small bird named Chirpy lived in a tree. One day, Chirpy found a shining gold coin. One day, Chirpy found a shining gold coin. She was very happy. But Chirpy's friend, Bunny, had nothing. She was very happy. But Chirpy's friend, Bunny, had nothing. Chirpy thought and thought. Should I share? She wondered. Chirpy thought and thought. Should I share? She wondered. She decided to give half of the coin to Bunny. Bunny was overjoyed. She decided to give half of the coin to Bunny. Bunny was overjoyed. The next day, Bunny found some juicy carrots. The next day, Bunny found some juicy carrots. Remembering Chirpy's kindness, Bunny shared the carrots with Chirpy. Remembering Chirpy's kindness, Bunny shared the carrots with Chirpy. They both enjoyed their treat together. They both enjoyed their treat together. The moral of the story is, sharing makes us happy and strengthens friendship. The moral of the story is, sharing makes us happy and strengthens friendship.